In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen share on Facebook Live. First, let's talk about why screen sharing has become such a popular feature. Whether you're using it to give presentations, conduct webinars, or simply share your desktop with friends or colleagues, screen sharing adds a dynamic layer to your live broadcast that can enhance engagement and provide value to your audience. Now, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a computer, as this feature is not available on mobile devices. Once you're there, head over to your Facebook homepage. You'll want to locate the Live Video option. This is usually found at the top of your news feed. Click Live Video and you'll be directed to the Live Producer tool. The Live Producer feature is where you can customize your live stream settings. Here, you'll find a few options. The one we're interested in is the option that allows you to share your screen. Look towards the panel on the left-hand side, select Use Camera and then Screen Share. Before proceeding, a quick tip: make sure all unnecessary tabs and windows are closed to prevent any accidental screen shares that you'd rather keep private. This also helps in maintaining the quality and focus of your broadcast. Now, when you're ready, click on the Share Screen button, which might prompt you to install a small plugin or extension if it's your first time screen sharing. Follow any on-screen instructions to get it set up quickly. Once you've got the necessary tool installed, a window will pop up, asking you to choose what you'd like to share. You can select your entire screen, or just a specific application window or browser tab. Choose the one that best suits your needs. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor your presentation to your audience's interests, whether you're focusing on a single application or providing broad overviews. After making your selection, hit the Share button. Facebook will immediately show a preview of what's being shared on your screen. Take a moment to ensure everything looks the way it should. It's always a good idea to glance at this to confirm there's nothing unexpected being broadcast. When you're comfortable and ready, head to the bottom and click on Go Live. This starts your live video feed to your audience, along with anything you're screen sharing. Throughout the process, keeping your audience engaged is key. Encourage viewers to ask questions or comment as you go along, which will make your Facebook Live session feel more interactive and engaging. When you're ready to wrap up, simply click End Live Video. Facebook will then give you options to post the video to your timeline, allowing those who may have missed it live to catch up later. And that's it! With these steps, you're all set to effectively screen share on Facebook Live, potentially transforming the way you connect with your audience. Happy broadcasting!